Next question is, a line passes through the points A and B. Find the gradients. The gradient of the line L1. Now, if a line is passing through these 2 points, that is -1 and 4 and 5 and -8, this is A and this is B. Find the gradient of the line. So this is L1. So we know the gradient of line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the formula for the gradient. If it is a curve, the formula is dy over dx. Generally we take this formula, but not for this case, because this is a line and not a curve. So that is equal to, let's say this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. y2 is 8, this is -8, minus y1, y1 is 4, over this negative of the formula is always there. So x2, 5, minus x1, so minus 1. So that is equal to, this is -12 over 5 plus 1, 6. So m is equal to -2. That is the gradient of L1. This was question number 1. Now part B. The line L2 is perpendicular to L1. So there is another line. This is L2 and this is perpendicular on L1. Passes through 5 and -8. Passes through 5 and -8. So this line is passing through this point. This is B. This is 5 and -8, not this line. So this is L2. Find the equation of L2. So we have to find the equation of this. So the gradient of L1 is -2. So the gradient of L2 is equal to half. The reason is L1 and L2, they are perpendicular, or if the lines are perpendicular, their gradient, the product of their gradient is always -1. Or we can say m1 is equal to -1 over m2, or you can say m2 is equal to -1 over m1. For example, if gradient of L1 is 2 over 3, the gradient of L2 will be -3 over 2, so that when we multiply we get -1. If the gradient of L1 is 2, the gradient of L2 is -half. If the gradient of L1 is -1 over 6, the gradient of L2 is 6. So that when we multiply, in all these cases, the product is -1. Now these two lines are perpendicular, so the product of their gradient is Why we are finding the gradient? Because to make the equation of a line, if this is a line, the equation of line is, you need two things: either 2 points on line like this. There are 2 points given on the line, this and this, so you can write the equation without getting the gradient. So you can directly use y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. If 2 points on the line. This is the first case. Second case is or gradient and 2 points x and y. So the equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So these are the two very important formulas to find the equation of a line, this and this. This formula we use when 2 points are given, point A and point B. So you can use directly this formula to get the equation of the line. This formula is also important for interpolation in statistics. If you want to know any position of any third point, if this x value is given, you can find the corresponding y value. So in fact, this is an interpolation formula also. By this formula you can get the equation of line when only 1 point and the gradient is given. So now in this case only 1 point is given and the gradient we have calculated is 1 over 2. So y minus y1 is minus 8 is equal to m is half, x minus x1 is 5. We have to write in this form. So this is y plus 8 multiplied by 2, it will be 2y plus 8 times 2 is 16 minus x plus 5. So the equation will be 2y minus x, and 16 plus 5 is plus 21 is equal to 0. That is the equation of line L2. So that is the solution. This is in the form of ax plus, we better write it in the form of x, so it can also be written as in this form, that is x minus 2y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the exact answer in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.